Hello and welcome to my computer without graphics card because it's over there. I have purchased a liquid cooler. It's a bit of an odd buy, but it's interesting. The brand here is not the same brand as what it says it was, but it came nicely packaged with lots of air bubbles. You may wonder why the video is so short, and it's because it was my first ever liquid cooler install, and I made many mistakes, and it just took, well, the video would have been 1.5 hours if I had let it go on, so I didn't let it go on. That's why it's short. This part of the video just sees me showing you some screws and brackets, because one of the brackets is also for AMD, and the part I tried to zoom in on said Intel, but it wouldn't zoom in. Maybe I should have taken it out of the bag, but that's how that went. The trickling sound is, I believe, the liquid in the cooler, so just being pushed around by the built-in pump. So nothing to worry about there, it wasn't leaking on my computer. One thing to point out, the braided cables were really nice, especially at this price point. On eBay I bought it for £15, which is really low. It was cheaper than some air coolers, so it was a pretty good saving. I'm not sure, it might still be that price, but I'll put a link in the comments or description. The stress test only went on for 10 minutes because I wanted to make the video quick and preferably short, because it was 1.5 hours of footage. During the stress test, the CPU performed above my expectations. On the original cooler, it was hitting temperatures close to 100 degrees, but with this new liquid cooler, it's staying at 52. And idle temperatures are about 10 degrees lower than they were on pure air cooling. I had the Intel stock cooler before, so this is quite the upgrade. It's much quieter as well, so that's another plus side. No thermal throttling, and lower TDPs when idle. In a world where everything makes sense, I think getting a liquid cooler for an i5 7500 that isn't overclocked is maybe a bit overkill, but an upgrade is an upgrade. I think it was worth it. Personally, this PC was built at a fair, poorly as well, so a good upgrade.